What you doing, T? Look at these dogs. What are you doing? Get away from her, pee-pee! Puppy! You wanna play, but stay away from her pee-pee, you stupid. Look at their eyes, because I got the light on. Look at her. Look at Chihuahua. Come on, Cinnamon, fight back. Poppy. You want to change the camera? Let's see what she did to the TV. Let's see. It's fucking shit. Look at that mess. But look what he did. He busted it. Busted it. Busted it. I go probably. This is from. Here, watch this. See how the TV's sitting? There, I'll show you. See how crooked the TV is? And he fucking broke the fucking stand. I mean, look at it. It's sitting like this. Fucking dumb. Into the fucking wall. I mean, that's ridiculous. Everything. What are you still on it? Something about him. Look at where it's smashed. Look at that. Jeez, look at that. TV didn't fucking fall out. Well, tomorrow we're getting a new stand, so. You guys aren't playing no more? Look at Cinnamon's eyes. Hi. Oh, what you doing?